Celebrate fall with another party. That's what's going on now. Cooler
Yes.
temperatures and of course finally this rain, Natasha.
Finally, the rain. I've never been so happy to see rain in all my life. So here it is. We have at least another day of it. We'll get a little bit of a break on Sunday. More on that here in just a moment. 50 degrees, that's our temperature. And we're likely to maybe bump it up to 51. And that's about it for the high today. Wind is very light out of the southeast at just 3 miles per hour. But wind will be more of a factor for us going into tomorrow. Rain totals so far, more than a tenth for Salem. Portland coming in now at 3/10 of an inch, as well as Troutdale. These are some impressive numbers. Vancouver more than a quarter of an inch, Kelso just under a quarter. So let's talk about the last time we saw some rain. Have to go way back into history here. Okay, so if we're talking about an inch or more in a day, that was June 10th. We picked up 1.42 inches, but most recently, the last time we had, significant rain, more than just a few hundredths, that was July 6th, 16 hundredths on that day. So it's been quite some time. Now, here it is, and we have more on the way. All of this streaming in from the northwest. Let's get in a little bit closer right here. You can see a nice little pocket of dry conditions, but it's only momentary all the way along I-5 down to Salem. But you have the majority of your rain right now coming down across southwest Washington. More rain on the way, along with colder air filtering in tonight. Behind that cold front, we'll get some instability and the possibility of running into some thunderstorms. So for the rest of tonight, we might be able to collect another third of an inch of rain for you right around Portland, Vancouver, even Hood River. And we're also closely watching the foothills, especially our recently burned scar areas. So as we add up the entire weekend plus today, we could be seeing 1.5 to 2.5 inches right here for the western slopes of the Cascades. And for Portland, we might be able to collect just under an inch of rain. Thunderstorm potential, yeah, that's for tomorrow. Tomorrow when that coldest air starts popping in, you'll have isolated showers coming through tomorrow and perhaps in some areas even heavier downpours. This is what it looks like for you tonight. Again, a few breaks for maybe 20 minutes or so with more rain to follow. In those overnight hours, most of you probably asleep at 3 o'clock in the morning, but we'll have some heavier showers coming through. It might even briefly wake you up as soon as we get to tomorrow afternoon. Again, breaks in between these showers, but still plenty of moisture heading on down towards the Cascades, and lots of advisories and watches to tell you about too. Sunday's our break. Monday, right back to more of that rain. Snow levels dropping. Just be prepared for winter type driving. That's all you have to do. Put your mind in the winter mode and say, okay, if I'm going to be traveling over mountain passes, I need to be prepared. So snow levels coming right down there to Highway 26 Government Camp as soon as we hit late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Will the snow actually stick, though? In the moment you're getting a heavier shower, it is certainly possible. So winter weather advisory will be in effect starting early tomorrow morning, lasting through early Sunday morning. The eastern slopes will be dealing with perhaps the trickiest driving, especially places like Santiam Pass. Blowing snow is expected as the wind starts to pick up. That plus a flash flood watch. This is going to be for the Cedar Creek fire burn scar. So right around Oak Ridge, places like Cottage Grove, Cresswell, Marcola, and Pleasant Hill all included in that flash flood watch. Winds picking up as we roll into Saturday with the arrival of our next front. Wind speeds anywhere from 25 to 30 possible, but more than anything, I think you'll just notice kind of a breezy kind of day for you overall Saturday. 7-day forecast looks like this. A dry break on Sunday. Monday, we're right back into the rain. But here's what's significant. In addition to a chance of rain every single day, those daytime highs stay in the 50s. Those overnight lows dropping down into the mid to low 40s. More on your forecast coming up. 26 News. We'll be right back.